Coming to the key ratios, NIM has increased from 2.65% in Q4 of last year to 3.48% in Q4 of 2014-15. For the year as a whole, from 2.76% it has increased to 3%. Return on assets, last year Q4 it was 0.22%, now it has improved to 0.42%. For the year as a whole, from 0.29% it has increased to 0.38%. Cost of deposit has substantially come down in as compared to Q4 of last year, from 7.94% to 7.61%. For the year as a whole, from 7.81% it has come down to 7.73%. Cost of funds also there is a decline. Yield on advances there is a substantial increase from 10.99% to 11.66% on a quarterly basis. And for the year as a whole, it has improved from 11.22% to 11.33%. Yield on investments, in spite of fall in the yield, reduction was kept at marginal level. For the year as a whole, it was almost maintained at same level. Cost to income ratio, as compared to Q4 of last year, there is an increase. It is mainly because last year Q4 we have reversed some of the excess provisions made in employee cost. Now this year, after the settlement is reached, we have provided for that fully, and for the year as a whole it is almost remaining at same level. And provision coverage ratio we have substantially increased from 52.55% to 58.93%, and capital adequacy from 10.78% in last year it has come down marginally to 10.63%, and earnings per share increased from 7.67 to 10.82. Book value also has increased from 145.57 to 166.35. Asset quality, gross NPA is at 6,876 crore, 5.31%. Last quarter it was at 5.99, and net NPA has come down to 3,688 to as of in terms of percentage it is 2.93. Restructured standard advances to gross bank credit is at 10.79%, and we have given the movement in NPA, and as compared to last year, additions have increased mainly because initially due to debt waiver there was agriculture in credit, 1,000 crores was added to NPA, and half of that was recovered during the year itself, and that's why the reduction is also very substantial compared to last year. Gross NPA closing balance is 6,876 crore. Upgradation is also from 102 crores it has gone to 261 crore. Recovery is from 160 crore it has improved to 842 crores. Compromise is also increased from 163 crore to 176 crore, and technical write-off also we have substantially written off. It is only purely a technical write-off. No right of the bank is foregone there, and actual write-off is 121 crores in terms of compromises. During the year 2014-15, bank could recover 2,405 crore as compared to 689 crore in the last year.